Hey guys. Hey guys. All right, so we get to the church this morning and there's a leak in the ceiling. You can tell there's water damage in the ceiling tile. And whenever we get up in there, I'm going to show you what's going on and how we found what's happening. Okay, so let's take a look at this ceiling tile right there. It's pretty bad. We just had a pretty good rain the last couple days, so it flooded the area. So that's the damage, and well, let's get inside there and see what happens. Okay, so as you can see, there's water that dripped right there in the ceiling tile. It looks like there's some over here too. So we're gonna see what happened up in the ceiling. It looks like right here, I don't know if you can see that in the white there, there's a hole in the tin, and right here there's a hole in the tin. That's better. You can see it right there. So we found where it's coming in the ceiling, so it's a pretty good leak. Well, let's go on the roof and see what happens there.